Hello, my friends, and welcome to Eggs. From which country are you watching my channel? Let me know in the comments. Whisk the eggs. $100 sugar. Support my channel. Subscribe, please. Mix well. $100 milk. Mix well. $10 vanilla extract. Mix well. $17 vegetable oil. Mix well. Lemon zest. Orange zest. Mix well. 160 grams plain flour. Let's sift the flour. Mix the flour well. Sift the rest of the flour. $7 grams baking powder. Sift the baking powder. Mix well. A 22 centimeters baking tin. Bake at 180 C or 355 F until golden brown. Amazing! Sprinkle with icing sugar. Perfect! Enjoy! Into a blender, add 250 grams chickpeas, 250 grams sugar, 3 eggs, 3 yolks, 50 grams plain flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 10 milliliters vanilla extract, 35 grams melted butter. Blend until smooth. One sheet puff pastry, I got it from a supermarket. Place it tidy around the tray. Cut the excess around the edges. Make a few holes with a fork. Pour on top of puffy pastry. I am using the baking paper that came with the pastry. Plenty icing sugar. This will make the top very crispy. Bake at 180 Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Looks amazing! Enjoy!